How to fix professional mode option not showing on Facebook. In this video, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to fix this problem. So the first thing you do is go to your Facebook app and then go to Profile. And if you go to your profile and tap on the three dots, as you can see here, the professional mode option is grayed out. This might be because if your profile is locked, you are not able to turn on the professional mode. So you're going to have to unlock your profile first. Tap on Unlock Profile and then tap on Unlock. After doing so, you should be able to turn on the Facebook's professional mode. So the profile has been unlocked. Now let's just check again. Go here and then turn on professional mode. If you're still not able to see this, then that means you need to update the app to its latest version. Go to Play Store, go to the search bar, and then simply search for Facebook. If you see an update button instead of open, just go ahead and tap on update button to update the app to its latest version. Once you've updated the app, you should be able to turn on your professional mode. But if you're still not able to do that, then you're going to have to report the problem. Tap on the three dots and then copy your profile link. Once you've copied it, just go ahead and scroll to your settings. So tap on the settings menu and then go to report a problem. Tap on help and support and then report a problem. Click on continue report. And here you can just paste your Facebook profile's link and simply say that your professional mode option is not showing. And once you have created the report, they should tell you a possible fix for that. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.